This week's tip is to film yourself dancing. Now, filming yourself dancing is a great way for you to be able to spot areas of weakness or areas you'd like to work on. When we are actually going through the whole dance and participating in it, everything can just be a blur. We're not aware of our body sometimes. So when you have video recording of it, you're able to play it back and you're able to spot those things that you would otherwise miss when you're actually dancing. I, for example, first time I ever saw myself on video, it was a horrifying, but also a very good experience at the same time. Horrifying because I thought I was a superstar, but it turned out I had some really weird habits that were just really weird. For one, I was bopping my head like crazy. Number two, I was flicking some weird kind of foot flicky thing. And my immediate reaction was going, oh my gosh, no. And that was the ego in me, I guess, talking. And I wanted to come up with all these excuses. Oh yeah, I was so tired, I just got off work, and whatever the excuses might have been. Oh yeah, I worked out the other day, so I'm really stiff. You know, so drop the excuses, just look at what the film tells you and go from there. So it's not about ego, it's not it's a process that we all go through. And if you're able to identify one or two things, whether it be the head bopping or the weird willy whacks with the footwork, or whatever else it might be, if you're able to identify a couple of things and then say, you know what, this arm movement doesn't really suit me, I don't want to have that. There we go. I just cleaned it up. So it makes you more conscious of things that you would not have been otherwise. Also, it's a great way to chart your progress. You film yourself, maybe at week 4, and then again at week 8 and 12, and etc. And then you get to see the progress. And looking back, sometimes we'd like to throw those old videotapes away, but we actually enjoy seeing videos of us, even if it's just a few years ago, and even longer, of us doing funny, silly things. And so it's just part of the process. So enjoy the ride, accept where you're at, accept what the video tells you, and then work on that stuff from there. And believe me, you will progress.